Today's April 28th. Today's quote is entitled, "Krishna is paying your paycheck." This is from the Madhya Lila of the Chaitanya Charitamrita. The source of our income is not actually the source of our maintenance. Every living being from the great Brahma down to an insignificant ant is being maintained by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Eko bahunam yo vidadhati kaman. The one Supreme Being, Krishna, maintains everyone. Our so-called source of income is our own choice only. If I wish to be a hunter, it will appear that hunting is the source of my maintenance. If I become a Brahman and completely depend on Krishna, I do not conduct a business, but nonetheless, my maintenance is supplied by Krishna. The hunter was disturbed about breaking his bow because he was worried about his income. Narada Muni assured the hunter because he knew that the hunter was not being maintained by the bow, but by Krishna. Being the agent of Krishna, Narada Muni knew very well that the hunter would not suffer by breaking the bow. There was no doubt that Krishna would supply him food. Madhya Lila, chapter 24, text 257. Of course, this is the story of Narada Muni and the hunter. And Narada Muni is saying, what you're doing is so horrible. Don't maintain yourself this way, but this bow is all I know. This is how I live, by half killing these animals, then killing and selling them and using them for skin, whatever. And so Prabhupada's saying something really interesting here. It says, your maintenance is not coming from your work. It's coming from Krishna. So no matter what you do, that maintenance will come. So Narada Muni is telling the hunter, look, you can throw down your bow. You'll be maintained. Somehow or other, your maintenance is already there. So why choose something demoniac? Why choose something sinful when you can do something better and still you're going to get the same maintenance? Isn't that interesting? You know, we think by a specific effort, I will be maintained. And Prabhupada's saying, no, Krishna is maintaining you. Yes, we all have to work. But whether you work this way or that way, Krishna is maintaining you. You will get what you need. Isn't that interesting? Then Prabhupada goes on to say, if you're a Brahman, then position of a Brahman is that you serve. In Vedic culture, in Varnashram, the Brahmins do not get a salary. They serve and they're maintained by donations. So in that sense, they're not even endeavoring to maintain themselves. They're not endeavoring for money. They're just serving. And Prabhupada's saying, still, even if you're not endeavoring for money and you're just serving as a Brahmin, you will be maintained. It's ordained by Krishna. You will be maintained. So this should build some faith. And this should also help us understand that maybe we can do work that's better suited to us. Maybe we can do work that's cleaner for the environment, cleaner for our consciousness. With the faith that if I make those right choices, because Krishna's maintaining me, the maintenance will be there. Rather than compromise and say, well, I could do better in this industry, but perhaps this industry is destructive to the planet or destructive to you personally. It's just the environment or what goes into that occupation is harmful to you. Consider this. Madhya Lila, chapter 24, text 257. Go ahead and read it, meditate on it. It's beautiful. Hare Krishna. If you like this video, you can subscribe below. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you share this video with others, if you comment on it, if you like it, do whatever. You have to click to share it, because I think a lot of devotees would appreciate getting these videos. I try to take our philosophy and put it in a practical way so we know how to apply it in daily activity. And this is one of the services I do. And I want to reach as many devotees as possible. If you can help me, I'd appreciate it so much. Thank you.